Long before a tire carries hundreds of tons of weight, it begins somewhere quiet in forests like this. Rubber trees stretch across southern Thailand, tapped one by one before the sun rises. Every line carved into the bark releases the same thing: possibility. For families here, rubber is more than a crop. It's a way of life.
กำลังทำการเปิดหน้ายางค่ะเพื่อที่จะสาธิตให้คนที่เขาจะมาดูอาร์ตว่ากระบวนการในการที่จะได้น้ำยางไปทำยางผลิตยางรถยนต์กระบวนการได้มาอย่างไรมาจากไหนต้นยางเป็นยังไงการกรีดน้ำยางเป็นยังไงทำให้น้ำยางออกมามีวิธีทำยังไงทำให้น้ำยางออกมาได้น้ำยางไปเพื่อที่จะไปผลิตยางรถยนต์ค่ะถ้าไม่หยดน้ำกรดมันก็จะเป็นเป็นก้อนยางที่มันนิ่มมันก็ไม่มีคุณภาพค่ะแต่ถ้าเราหยดน้ำกรดมันจะทำให้ก้อนยางน้ำยางมันแข็งตัวมันเกิดความเหนียวความแน่นเอาไปมันจะมีคุณภาพมากกว่ากับการที่ไม่ได้หยดน้ำกรด
Thousands of trees, millions of drops, and just a few miles away, the next step begins. Unlike many industries where materials travel across continents, the rubber here travels only miles. Fresh latex becomes raw rubber blocks, and raw rubber becomes the foundation of something far more complex. Tires are not simply rubber. They are chemistry. Inside the Banbury mixer, natural rubber meets carbon black oils and proprietary ingredients. Each compound designed for a different battle: heat, rock, abrasion, weight. Every batch tracked, every compound engineered, every formula assigned a purpose. If rubber gives a tire flexibility, steel gives it strength. Hundreds of cables spin together to form the internal skeleton. The calendar machine presses rubber and steel together into precision layers. These layers will eventually carry machines weighing hundreds of thousands of pounds. Every component cut to exact dimensions. Because in heavy equipment, there is no margin for error. Facilities like this don't appear overnight. The factory is operated by CMA and backed by the legacy of Double Coin, one of Asia's most established tire manufacturers, nearly a century of tire building experience. Among the earliest companies in Asia to produce radial truck tires, and for 7 years a manufacturing partner of Michelin. Today, that experience powers some of the most advanced tire factories in the world, where craftsmanship and modern engineering meet on the same factory floor. The bead is the anchor point of the tire. It locks the tire to the rim and holds enormous forces in place. One by one, every component comes together. Inner liner, sidewalls, steel belts, tread, hours of work forming what the industry calls a green tire. A tire not yet finished, but nearly alive. Heat, pressure, time. Inside the curing press, the tire is transformed. Rubber molecules bond, structure locks into place, and the tire finally becomes what it was meant to be. What emerges is more than a tire. Built for mines, built for quarries, built for construction sites around the world. From Thailand, the journey continues across the Pacific Ocean to Dawg Pound headquarters in California. Because tires are not built to sit in warehouses. They are built to work, built for operators who start before sunrise and finish long after the job is done. From a forest in Thailand